Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies without an oven and brown sugar. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on the simple substitutions we'll use. Then, we'll mix everything together to create a delicious dough. Finally, I'll show you how to chill and serve your delightful no-bake treats, perfect for any occasion. To begin, you'll need unsalted butter, granulated sugar, and a touch of molasses to mimic brown sugar's flavor. Don't forget your all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and a good quality vanilla extract. Of course, the star of the show is plenty of chocolate chips. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Start by melting your butter, then whisk it with the granulated sugar and molasses until well combined. Stir in the vanilla extract. Next, slowly incorporate your flour and salt, mixing until a soft dough forms. Finally, gently fold in your favorite chocolate chips, ensuring they are distributed evenly throughout the delicious mixture. This creates the perfect texture. Once your dough is ready, scoop it into small balls or press it into your desired cookie shapes. Place them on a parchment-lined tray and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. This chilling time is crucial for them to firm up perfectly. After chilling, your delightful no-bake chocolate chip cookies are ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.